Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, inshallah, we are going to discuss a research paper that were that was published in Nature Energy in 2022. And this paper is about an open access perovskite solar cell database. In this research paper, researchers tried to build a database for perovskite solar cell devices. The idea behind this paper is that there is too much research paper or publications in the field of perovskite solar cell, about more than 15,000 of research paper in 2022. And the information in these research papers are scattered, and actually there is inconsistency in reporting. And if we wanted to discover the ideas on all of these research paper, this will be time consuming. So researchers try to build a data-centric material science. This database or data-centric can help in data-driven discovery, can help in building AI and machine learning models, and this can provide an open access database to accelerate the discovery of material science. What they actually do? They collect more than 42,000 of perovskite solar cell devices from more than 15,000 of publication by screen these publications manually. The data collected in this database actually contain informations about architecture, fabrication, performance, and stability. This database came initially as a FAIR database, which is findable, accessible, reusable, and interoperable. Actually, what they do, they collect information from more than 15,000 publication. They have finally 42 or more than 42,000 device with their parameters up to 4010 parameter or features for each device. This data has information about reference data like DOI and journal info. In addition, there is information about architecture like substrate type, ETL or HTL layers, perovskite composition, and back contact. Moreover, there is information about performance like efficiency, V open circuit, G short circuit, and fill factor. And there is another information about metadata like active area, stability data, and fabrication methods. This data base used to study trends or to analyze trends in the paper too. It also used to compare new experimental results against the entire history. In addition, it can be used to identify the research gap that we need to discover. It also, researchers try to have some insights from the database they built. They study efficiency or analyze efficiency growth. They also study the band gap or analyze the band gap and they confirm that an optimal band gap range of from 1.5 to 1.6 electron volt. And they also analyze the scalability research gap. They also found gaps related to stability because less than 20% of devices have information about stability. There is a lack of standardized testing protocol. In addition, there is an urgent need for unified aging protocol to ensure commercial availability. About scalability issues too, they found there is a clear downward trend in performance as the device area increase. And tandem optimization require precise bandgap engineering for large-scale modules. And they found that most high-efficiency reports are still limited to small-scale laboratory cells. Um, Finally, we can understand that this database came initially to shift the research paradigm from traditional approaches, which is depend on a trial and error, and which is limited in its transparency because of inconsistent reportings, to data-centric paradigms, which can use this data to build machine learning that can accelerate the discovery of solar cells. It also can collect the efforts of all researchers in the field in a one or unified database that can help improve the field and accelerate the discovery of solar cells.